So when I was waiting on the video to start again, I went ahead and wrote it underneath. Rational because it is a fraction. 1/5 is a fraction. 1.3 is rational because it's a terminating decimal. 0.3 repeating is a repeating decimal and that makes it rational. Irrational because when I had this, it gave me 4.3588989, and it just kept going, and I didn't know what that was. And for that reason, I don't know what number's next. It's irrational. It doesn't repeat, nor does it terminate. And square root of 16 is a perfect square, which means 4 times 4 gives us 16. And it's a whole number. 4 is a whole number. So that's why it's rational. Now we're going to order these sets from least to greatest. That means we need to change everything to a decimal. I've already changed the repeating, the irrational square root to a decimal. And this is going to become 0.2. And I saw some of you do this on the other test. You cannot change these decimals. This is still 1.3. This is still 3 repeating, so it's just 3. Square root of 19 becomes 4.36 if you round. And then square root of 16 is 4. So which one of these is the lowest? 0.2. Because that will give you 0. 20 is less than 33. So that means first and foremost, 1/5. Then the repeating number. Remember, that's the repeating number. I just wrote it again with just 2 3s. 0 point repeating, that's next. This has a 1, and these two have 4s. 1 is definitely lower than 4. So 1.3. 4 $4 is definitely lower than $4.36. So square root of 16, then the square root of 19. And that is ordered from least to greatest. Now remember, we did number 27 on the last video. All you did was replace your volume, which they told you 8,000. V was 8,000, so I replaced 8,000 equals S to the third power, and I got S to the third power from right there. So that, and then I solved it. I took the cube root of both sides, took my cube root sheet, it gave me 20. So 20 inches. And remember, you're going to put this. So the sentence is the length of the side is 20 inches. And make sure you put your inches. It even says a hint, do not forget your inches.